The end of blindness. Today, we dissect Neuralink Blindsight, the interface that re-engineers human vision.
We are entering the visual cortex. Every flash of light, every color we see.
At its core is the N1 chip. It processes 1,024 channels of neural data in real time.
Thinner than a human hair. These threads are so flexible they move with the brain, preventing any tissue damage.
Digital to biological. We are bypassing the eyes and the optic nerve entirely, sending data straight to the brain's GPU.
The surgeon robot, using advanced computer vision to avoid every capillary, ensuring a bloodless installation.
Early vision is made of phosphenes, dots light.
The brain is a hostile environment for electronics. Engineering the perfect biocompatible coating is a battle of chemistry. Energy through the skin. Inductive charging keeps the system running without any wires protruding from the head.
Blindsight isn't limited to human vision. It can see in infrared, thermal, and even ultraviolet, surpassing biological limits.
Neural mapping. Every brain is different. Our engineers must calibrate the device to each user's unique mental map.
A symphony of hardware and wetware. The ultimate bridge between two worlds. The first moment of sight. Not through eyes, but through pure engineering willpower.
Data security in the brain. We encrypt the visual stream to ensure the user's perception remains private and secure.
The hardware is ready. The mind is open. The blind shall see. We are restoring a lost sense. We are re-engineering the human experience.
Status, vision restored. Independence regained. The technology of tomorrow, healing the people of today.
The Cortex era is the era of healing.
Subscribe to see the unseen. Next episode, ITER fusion reactor Tintus, bottling a star. What human sense should we restore next? Let us know in the comments.